Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how can you add the white border effect to your photos or videos in CapCut PC. So first you are just going to import your video you like to edit, and I'm just going to add video with right, and it's very simple. Just going to effect and select video effect and select night clip, and you can find the white border here. Just download and add to the track, and you can adjust for the option right here, but you can see for the result before and change for the option right. Alright, change for the option the speed and vertical and then horizontal, so I can see the result again. So this is the final effect you have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.